Sa online class ako, pero mag-vlog ako para lang matapos na to. Hi guys, it's Rain and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this would be an unboxing for something that I've been eyeing for how many years now. And currently I'm in online class, but I'm really excited to do this unboxing. And actually, napakabilis ng delivery niya. So thank you to Lazada. Priority delivery for that. This is not a sponsored vlog anyway. So, malay natin in the future, di ba? But right now, this is not a sponsored ad. I'm just really happy on how Lazada delivers their products very on time. Minsan maaga pa from the said delivery date. So, yun yung gusto ko sa kanila. Minsan, if sikat yung store or nag-o-offer, minsan may same-day delivery. And, syempre, medyo mahal and gumagamit sila ng Grab Express. But at least, same-day delivery. But, more on that later, since I will, like, to keep this vlog very short. So, this would be the second major purchase of this year. So, for context, I just bought a laptop last week. If you want to see that video, I'll leave the link in the description below. So, I bought a Asus TUF F15 laptop 2 weeks ago. So, that was the replacement of my laptop for almost 3 years. Kaya po 3 years lang kasi 'di ba may iba na umaabot ng 5 years yung laptop and yung sa akin hindi na umabot ng 5 years, although gumagana pa naman siya. Pero kasi medyo lumalabas na yung mga sakit-sakit niya, and before na mapagastos pa ako ng mahal, at least bibili lang ako ng bago. So that's the overall gist on what I did 2 weeks ago. So if you want a full-on review on the Asus TUF 15, please leave a comment down below if you want. So back to what we're here for. So again, I bought something from Lazada and it's fragile. Actually, the box is very big for the item inside. So, okay. Ooh. So, may Lazada security tape. And then, galing pa Laguna to and Lex PH. So, before, I always buy from Shopee because I really thought that mas mura sa Shopee, ganun. But when I tried Lazada again last year, I was shook na mas mura siya. Yun nga lang, sanayan lang talaga sa OS. Syempre, hindi naman OS, more like yung user interface kasi nga, mahirap i-navigate siya. But, all in all, it's very good. So, wait lang guys, pause ko muna. So, nagreklamo yung prof namin because of But anyway, I want to do this before our presentation since we have a presentation in a bit sa class. So, ayan, malapit ko na mabuksan. Okay. So, in fairness din naman, sobrang bilis kasi akala ko dadating siya ng Thursday. Pero, nitiwala naman ako sa Lazada na pag bumili ka ngayon, it would be with you the next day. So, mabilis sila sa part na yon. And ayan. Ooh! May ganito pa siya, yung parang super social na bubble wrap. And eto na yung binili ko, guys. Woo! Wow! The box is big. So, this is what I bought. It's a Galaxy Watch 4 in 40mm in the color pink gold. So, bakit pink gold? Hindi black. And, kaya po pink gold. Oh my god, sorry. Kaya po pink gold yung binili ko. One, ito lang po yung available. Dapat black, kaso naubusan ako ng weekend. And, Galaxy Watch 4 because sobrang mahal pa ng Galaxy Watch 5. Galaxy Watch 4 was released in 2021. Galaxy Watch 5 was released last year, 2022. So, really, I don't need like super updated watch na Galaxy Watch 5. And yung price kasi nun is around 10,000. 11,000 rather. If you pre-ordered a Galaxy S23. And ako, hindi ako nag-pre-order ng Galaxy S23, but my uncles pre-ordered na gamit na nila ngayon yung S23 nila. So, really, I don't like need an updated one na Galaxy Watch 5 and mahal. But ito kasi, nakuha ko lang siya for only 5,700. Almost 5,800. Imagine, almost half the price. Kasi, when you buy this in Samsung, like retail stores, if they still have stocks, it can cost around, oh my god, wait lang. It can cost around 10,000. Almost the same price of a Galaxy Watch 5. Syempre, kung ikaw, bibili ka na lang Galaxy Watch 5 na, diba? But this one is only 5,700. If you buy in Memo Express, they have black and also this color. It's priced at around 6. So, medyo mahal. Ay, ako na lang medyo mahal. So, I went for this. Even though this is pink gold, I think that it's okay since it's gold. But the strap is interchangeable to a different one. So, sorry kung may sipol ako. But really, it's an interchangeable watch. Basta gusto ko lang yung gold since it was sobrang tagal na wala akong gold product, and really it's about time. So I'll be back. Kukuha lang ako ng kutsilyo para pambukas ng mga safety seals. So be right back. I'm back, guys. So I have gotten. So nakakuha na ako ng kutsilyo. Actually, I have a knife like this.
Right around my room, because you never know things that will happen to you while you're asleep. So really, this is for emergency purposes only. Okay, I mean, I don't condone violence, but when emergency strikes, really, you cannot foresee the future. But yeah.
Okay, going back to the unboxing itself, why did I buy a new watch? Okay, so for context, I have been using this Galaxy Gear Neo. Yes, Gear Neo. That was released in 2012. Puro putol-putol yung vlog na to. But, gumagana pa naman siya from time to time. Not from time to time, but nagagamit ko pa naman siya. Madaliin ko na kasi na-allergy ako. Na-allergy ko yung 90s ako. I don't know why. But, let's see how this thing works. But, yeah. So, unboxing. Okay, Galaxy Watch. Wow! Okay. Okay, may isa pa. But, wow! Oh. On the other side is the watch itself. And then, on this side, I don't know what's this. Okay, nagrepresent na sila. But, hindi pa naman nagrepresent yung group namin. I think natatanggal to. So, let's see ano meron dito. Oh, okay. May ganito naman pala siya. Oh, haba. Gusto ko yan. Ay! Ang kalat, be! Oh, okay. So, here lies, I think, the charger. Yeah, the charger. For the and the warranty guides in there. So, oh my god. Okay. I'm just checking if may mga gas-gas ba siya or wala. But here it is, guys! Ang ganda niya. Hindi na bibigay justice ng mga ilaw, but it's a gold watch! Wow! So how do you turn this thing on? Ah! For a startup! Oh my god! So this is the button itself, and wow! Okay, this is the back. It's made of sapphire crystal and stuff like that. I think that's about it on the unboxing itself. If you want a full in-depth review, I can do it also. But I think there are also other YouTubers that can or that has vlogged it, and I think you can just search Galaxy Watch 440mm. And if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what should I do or improve on my vlogs. Also, if you want the full in-depth or review on the Asus Dash F15, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to share this to your family and friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys on the next vlog or videos that I will put out. So, please support me since bumabalik na po ako sa pag-vlog kasi medyo madami na po akong time to edit. So, really, I will see you guys on the next vlog or video. Oh my god, may sipon ako! I will see you guys on the next vlog or video that I will put out. Bye guys!